The stage of a butterfly ABA. The second stage is the caterpillar larva. The third stage is the chrysalis pupa. The first stage is a beautiful butterfly. The first stage of a butterfly ABA. The second stage is the caterpillar larva. The third stage is the chrysalis pupa. The first stage is a beautiful butterfly. A butterfly has three main body parts. They have a head, a thorax, and an abdomen. A proboscis that drinks from a straw. 6 legs, 4 wings.
interesting facts we have learned during our rainforest unit. The rainforest is a very important ecosystem to all of us. We have shared the importance of the plants and animals. But did you also know that our rainforests cover only 6% of our Earth's surface, but they produce about 50% of our oxygen?
The story's home to many snakes, many snakes.
The floor is dim and dark and wet, dark and wet. The floor is dim and dark and wet, dark and wet. The ants go marching by as they watch the birds up high. The floor is dim and dark and wet, dark and wet.
And he has the really awesome manners, so he gets the Respect Award for always using manners and being respectful.